Hello. Listen to me talk about culture. Culture is what is important to you, your family, and your community. Society. Society. A group of people. Unique means different. A mountainous region and a hot desert region are two environments. Mountainous regions and hot desert regions have different cultures. This is from a mountainous region, and this is culture from a hot desert region. Let's listen. Culture is a pattern of behavior shared by a society or group of people. Many different things make up a society's culture. These things include food, language, clothing, music, arts, customs, beliefs, and religion. Every human group has its own culture. Each culture is unique. A group's environment often decides the type of culture that develops. For example, a group that lives in a cold, mountainous region would develop a culture different from a group that makes its home in a hot desert region. Now, your turn to read and record.